Take off, take flight with you. For we never fly, but we're flying.
One of the main reasons why I decided to leave my corporate career was to use more of my time and influence to create even more impact in the healthcare industry and real estate space. On this episode, I want to share with you my thinking of how I intend to make a difference in real estate, and when the time is right, share the healthcare plan. Now, if you've been following my journey on social media for the last few years, you will know that I've been a very strong advocate for investing in real estate. I've shared every deal that I've done. I've transparently shared the numbers behind each deal and many other investing insights for people to learn from, because I think real estate is a great way to create additional income alongside your job, establish a level of financial security, and if you take a long-term financial perspective, you can create wealth through the capital appreciation. Now, going back a few years, when I was 22, my very first professional salary was £11,500 per year, which after the national insurance deductions worked out to be £856 per month net, which is not a lot of money. However, I still used the opportunity to save up a deposit towards my first purchase, which took place 3 years later. And I continued to exercise the same financial discipline over the years to buy even more real estate. So the skill of being able to pay myself first and then invest has served me very well, and I would not be in this position without that one skill. Now, fast forward till today, Timbo Capital, which is a family investment business, has around £5 million of assets under management. I've personally been able to invest hundreds of thousands of pounds of my own money into deals from working, and we've been able to raise millions of pounds in debt from lenders in order to secure those deals. So there are two macro ways that I'm thinking in terms of wanting to make a difference in real estate. The first is being able to create more affordable rooms and spaces for people living in the UK. It's reported that we need to build and create around 300,000 new homes every year to keep up with the level of demand. Some experts will suggest that the number is actually closer towards 500,000 houses. And last year, unfortunately, we were only able to create 210,000 houses. So the first part of impact is actually going from buying and investing in single family homes to now investing in developing co-living spaces, rooms, and self-contained units to be able to serve more of the demand at a faster pace within those towns that need it. Now, the second way that I've been thinking about creating impact, which really resonates with me because of the personal journey that I've been on, is helping other people better allocate their capital for better returns. It's estimated that around £400 billion is sitting in savers accounts, earning less than 1%. And when you think about it, it's a very staggering statistic, especially when you look at how inflation has performed over the last few years. And I have stressed the importance of investing in general to keep up with inflation as a bare minimum, because most of us know that that's investing 101. So this next phase of growth is about developing long-term positive relationships with investors who simply want to achieve better returns on their savings. I've spent the last few years showing the results and returns that I've been achieving on my capital, whether it's investing into my own deals or actually funding other investors and loaning money out to fund their deals. And I think now it's time to help other people achieve similar results on the money that they've worked so hard in order to save. We have an experienced team of professionals, from my solicitor to my build team, to my finance broker, to the architect. And we have a number of projects in the pipeline and under contract that we know will be able to provide a better return than what you are currently earning for the investors that want to work with us. So if you're interested to learn more about how you can get involved and learn with me as I go along on this next journey with the business, then you can either contact me directly on Instagram, where I'm very active. Just type in my name, Pabilo Timbo, and send me a message. Or you can email us, the team, at contact@timbocapital.com. That's contact@timbocapital.com. And then we can work to arrange a call. Now, there are two qualifiers for anyone that wants to invest with us for the first time. The first one is that you have to have a minimum of £30,000 readily available. Of course, the higher the amount that you're able to lend, the higher the return you're able to receive. And you have to be in a position where you can invest your money, your savings, for a minimum of 12 months for a fixed period. Now, if you like what you've heard and you want to be a part of some of these investment opportunities now or later, and you meet these two criteria for now, the criteria could change, then I look forward to hearing from you.
Take off, take